In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your account on all devices. If you want to make sure your account is no longer active anywhere else, this is a quick and useful security step. It can help if you logged in on a shared computer, use someone else's phone, or simply want extra peace of mind by resetting all active sessions at once. To begin, open your account and go to your profile area. This is usually where you'll find personal account options and controls related to your settings. Once you're there, look for Account Settings and open it. This section contains the main preferences and security-related options for your account. Inside Account Settings, find the Security section. This is where you can manage things like login activity, session controls, and other features designed to help protect your account. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place, since security settings often include important actions that affect how and where your account stays signed in. When you're in the security section, look for the option called Sign Out Everywhere. Select that option to continue. This feature is designed to end your active sessions across all devices where your account is currently logged in. That means if you're signed in on another phone, tablet, browser, or computer, those sessions will be closed. After clicking Sign Out Everywhere, you'll usually see a confirmation prompt. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental signouts, especially since this action affects all devices at the same time. Review the prompt, and if you're ready to proceed, confirm the action. Once confirmed, your account will be signed out everywhere. In some cases, the device you're currently using may stay active briefly, or you may also be signed out there depending on how the platform handles sessions. If needed, simply sign back in on the device you want to keep using. As a final tip, after signing out everywhere, it's a good idea to review your account security if you were doing this because of suspicious activity. For example, you may want to update your password or check for anything unfamiliar in your recent account activity. But the main process itself is simple. Go to your profile, open account settings, enter security, choose sign out everywhere, and confirm. That's it. You've successfully signed out of your account on all devices.